Everyone loses hair at some point, creating a less than full look or thin spots. The contrast in these areas may make it difficult for people to enjoy their hair the way they desire. RestorInk, available exclusively at HairClub, is a popular solution which fills in areas on the scalp that have thin or no hair with a special pigment, creating the appearance of thicker hair. RestorInk by HairClub is a safe, quick, non-surgical hair replacement technique known as scalp micropigmentation. RestorInk applies pigments at the dermal level of the scalp, creating the appearance of greater hair density. RestorInk can be used anywhere hair is thinning, such as the frontal and temple hairlines, the crown, bald spots, patches, or even on scars. Additionally, RestorInk is great for defining hairlines. RestorInk is ideal for men and women in the early stages of thinning to advanced hair loss. HairClub's practitioners are specifically trained in scalp micropigmentation, a specific technique where a proprietary formula of pigment is applied to the scalp with microfine needles. The RestorInk formula contains multiple shades of pigment across thousands of tiny impressions on the skin, giving the appearance of real hair. This is a procedure offering full results in as few as 2 sessions, depending on your desired results. HairClub uses a pigment blend that gives the natural look of actual hair stubble from any distance. It's a combination of keratin, a fibrous structural protein found in hair, and pigments designed to match your natural hair color. So, if you're looking for a safe, quick, non-surgical hair replacement option to fill in anywhere hair is thinning and create the appearance of greater hair density, RestorInk by HairClub is the right solution for you.